Lotus Carlton registered 40RA was stolen from a home in the West Midlands.
Car continually outrun the police with raids of liquor and cigarettes, totaling over £20,000. The thieves become so brazen they raided a shop across the road from the police station that was 30 yards away. By the time the police heard the alarms and smashing glass, the car and the stolen goods was gone.
This fantastic car was built in an era when General Motors owned both Vauxhall and Lotus, and some very bright and clever sparks decided to give the old fuddy-duddy Carlton to Lotus to see what they could do.
The straight six engine grew from 3 litres to 3.6 and gained 2 turbos that boosted its power to a mighty 377 bhp and its torque to a gut-wrenching 419 pounds-foot.
West Midlands Police Officer PC David Oliver said, "We simply haven't been able to get near the thing and it looks unlikely that we ever will."
After many raids and pursuits, the car seemed to have vanished, but they have been found.
Smash Hits 1990! You f***ing slayer, you. Yeah, various artists now, that's what I call Music 33. Thank you, please, I'll take my prize. Dance Massive 2, so obviously, mate, he was a dealer. There we go. Man, I bet there's some fucking